Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Hey Anon token. Hey Anon, all one word, is the name of the token. Anon is the ticker symbol. Now this token is on the base chain. It's a very popular token, almost trending every day on DEX Screener in the base section. Right now it is trending number 13. They have been doing some marketing today. There's the 500 lightning bolts marketing boost ads button there on DEX Screener. They've been promoting themselves. It's obviously working. They're up 44% today. They have a huge 24-hour trading volume, gigantic market cap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen right here. You can see that they have two different contracts right there. So there's a couple different ways to get this token here. It's on the Solana blockchain as well. And they have 20,500 Twitter followers. They have here, their webpage is linked there, HeyAnon.ai. You can find their Twitter at HeyAnonAI, gold verified checkmark, 128 posts. So yeah, two different contract addresses. And then if you scroll down, I'm going to put the whole Twitter right here all the way to where I'm talking about. It says the Anon bridge is live. You can now bridge your tokens across multiple networks effortlessly. Solana, Ethereum mainnet, Metis, Base, Kava, IOTA, etc. There's a whole bunch of them there. And they also recently got a central exchange listing. So they just recently got listed on LBank. So if you scroll down in their Twitter, you're going to find the LBank listing announcement. But basically, if you wanted to get the token off LBank, all you'd have to do, first of all, is download LBank. If you don't have an account, you could download it from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. You could open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search Anon 1. I believe they put it as Anon 1 because there was another token with a similar ticker symbol. So Anon would be a popular ticker symbol that of course was already used in the past. So you're not confused. This one is Anon 1, and that's what you would search when buying this token off of LBank. And then when it pops up, then just simply buy the token. It is that easy. So they have 128 tweets on here. So if you do scroll down, they do have the repost. Probably take you a minute to scroll all the way down, but you'll see the retweet there of the LBank listing announcement. Besides that, you can get this token on tons of different chains. Now you can get it on the base chain, like I mentioned. I always see it trending in the base section on DEX Screener for this token. And for that, you could use a Coinbase wallet, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask wallet. You'd fund your wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base. Or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And go into the dApps, find UNISWAP, and then trade your Base for this token using the contract address that you could find on their Base Scan, DEX Screener, DEX Tools, etc. You could do the same thing with Solana right there. And instead, you'd use a Solflare or Phantom wallet, fund your wallet with Sol, find RAYDIUM in the dApps, and then using that contract address, the Solana one, you change your Sol for this token. So there's many different ways to get the token, all those different chains and LBank, etc. So what is this project all about here? Well, it says, Hey Anon is an artificial intelligence DeFi protocol designed to simplify DeFi interactions and aggregate essential project-related information. By combining conversational AI with real-time data aggregation, Hey Anon enables users to manage DeFi operations, stay informed about project updates, and analyze trends across various platforms and protocols. It integrates natural language processing to process user prompts, executes complex DeFi actions, and delivers real-time insights, or near real-time insights from multiple information streams. Now, they have a document section you can find at docs.heyanon.ai. Website is heyanon.ai. They have a Telegram at RealWagMe, and then a Discord you could join as well. So this token pair was created on the base for the base token 11 days, 20 hours ago on Uniswap. For the base token, they have a $1.3 million 24-hour trade volume, and their market cap is $192.7 million. Pretty crazy there. And yeah, so the document section here has troubleshooting, getting started, features, initial coin offering, Anon token utility. So why use Hey Anon? Well, DeFi and blockchain projects evolve rapidly, requiring users to manage both operational tasks and informational awareness. Hey Anon streamlines this by automating complex DeFi interactions, including bridging, swapping, staking, and borrowing, aggregating and analyzing data from sources like Twitter, Telegram, Discord, GitHub, and Gitbook, offering real-time insights into price changes, community sentiment, and development activities. By simplifying operations and consolidating information, Hey Anon saves the time and ensures users make informed decisions. Hey Anon is also an informational assistant that aggregates and processes data from various community and development channels related to specific projects. By parsing sources such as Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Gitbook, and GitHub, Hey Anon provides near real-time insights into project updates, community sentiment, development activity, price changes, and general awareness trends. So users can also combine multiple data points to form a comprehensive understanding of the project. Now, if you want to understand more about this project, go check out the docs, docs.heyanon.ai. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.